So now I'm going to show you how to get your font into your Silhouette Cameo software. I go to dafont.com and I'm just going to look for a font. I'm going to get the first font that I see for this example. I'm going to download it. Then I'm going to go up to my downloads and I'm going to click on it. And here we have it. I'm going to click on it again. And I'm going to hit install font. Make sure your Silhouette Cameo software is closed when you're doing this. So now I'm going to open my Silhouette Cameo software. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to look and see if my font is there. Okay, my font is there. So now I'm going to type my words. Just gonna type good morning world. Okay, once my words is typed, I'm going to select it and I'm going to go down and find the font that I just installed and click on it. And now my words are using the font that I got off of dafont.com for free. Thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.